Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to remove from Blacklist in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To remove a friend from your Blacklist in Mobile Legends, first of all, open up the Mobile Legends application on your device, and once you're in this home screen, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab on the right hand side of the screen. After looking for the Friends tab, you will get to this page. Now go ahead and tap on the little blacklist option at the bottom left, and all of the people that you've added to the blacklist will be displayed. To remove someone from your blacklist, tap on the trash icon right next to their contact's name and click on OK, and you will then be able to delete the player from your blacklist. Now the player will be able to send you invites again, and they will also be removed from your blacklist. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.